How many different ways can we put alcohol and cranberry juice together? Let's find out. Over my next few videos, we'll be playing a lot with cranberry juice because there's a ton of different ways you can drink cranberry juice like a grown-up. So we're gonna go ahead and start with basically where it all started back in 1945. In 1945, Ocean Spray growers, cooperative, a whole bunch of cranberry people, Ocean Spray was over them, decided that people just weren't, buying their cranberries or drinking their cranberry juice. It was really just drank around Christmas and Thanksgiving. So they're trying to figure out, how can we fix this? So they decided, let's mix some booze in it. So they came up with a cocktail called the Red Devil. So this dates back to 1945. And then from there, they tweaked a ratio a little bit, called it a Cape Codder, in honor of where all the cranberries come from in the United States, apparently, in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Ended up calling it Cape Codder. Then a few years later, 1968, Ocean Spray slapped a recipe on their bottle called the Harpoon, which was the same thing, were a little bit of ratio differences. So the cranberry juice and spirits have been around since the 1940s, and it all started because somebody wanted to make a buck. So we're gonna get started with the Cape Codder. Super easy drink, build it in the glass. So you're gonna need a Collins glass filled with some ice. Next, you're gonna add 2 ounces of vodka. I'm using Sugarfields. You heard me talk about them a lot. They're a local distillery here in Louisiana, especially it's in my county, technically parish. If you're not from around here, our county is called parishes. It's made with sugarcane, so it's got a nice little sweetness to it. So we're gonna go 2 ounces of our vodka. Next, the cranberry juice. Now, some recipes say top it, some say 1 part to 4 parts, depending on taste. I like cranberry juice, so we're just gonna put it all in there. I'm using Ocean Spray's diet cranberry juice, so I had about 4 ounces left of space in my glass, and that's gonna come out to be 1 gram of carbs. That's it. Ocean Spray's diet cranberry juice is 2 carbs per 8 ounces. Now they also say garnish it with a lime. So you have 1945, the Red Devil, then you have 1965, the Cape Codder, then you have 1968, the Harpoon, then you have 2020-ish, the Vodka Cran. Whatever the name is, it's a damn tasty drink. Vodka, cranberry juice, and if you want to squeeze a little lime on it, and yes, I'm gonna put my lime in there, drop that on top. The Vodka Cran. Man, that's actually delicious. And the vodka you use will make a difference in your Vodka Cran. Like just any old well vodka, it's really not gonna be good. I find that craft spirits are amazing, like Sugarfields as an example. Being a sugarcane vodka, not over distilled, still gets some of that sweetness. It's like a really, 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 really mild rum sweetness. With the tartness, a little sweetness from the cranberry juice, it's perfect. But if you're using another, like I hate to say other brands, but Tito's. Tito's, you can have alcoholic cranberry juice. Use some craft vodkas, find local distilleries in your area. It's gonna make a difference, I promise you that. So guys, that's it for cocktail number 1, the Cape Codder, the Red Devil, the Harpoon, the Vodka Cran. I don't even know what to call it. And if you like the type of videos I put out, make sure you click subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, all the things YouTubers tell you to do. All right guys, see y'all later.